So hi, in this video I will show you the Google Nano Banana model which is released by Google. It's called as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Nano Banana. It's uh, by experience I'm telling you it's scary good, and it's number one model for image generation and editing your images from the help of AI. So if you simply write Nano Banana model, the very first link which comes, so this is the official way. This is their official page where you can try this model for completely free. So click on get started and you will land on this Google AI Studio page. So right in the chat prompt you will basically write what sort of image you want to generate. So I will say generate image where two dinosaurs are coding on laptop. So you write the prompt here, click on the run button to actually generate your images. So now the Nano Banana AI model will generate the image for you instantly. So now you can see that. So it actually generated this image in just 8.9 seconds, a full HD image where two dinosaurs are coding on laptops. So you can just see right here. You have the option to download this image as well. So this is scary good AI model. You also have the option to actually edit your images. You can simply uh, select whatever image you want to edit. You just write the instructions. So I will simply say, please make this image angry. You can change multiple things at a single time. So change the t-shirt color to red and grow hair on head, and also remove the New Zealand logo from t-shirt. So now if you run this prompt here, so now it will analyze this whole image, and based upon your instructions it will do the image editing for you. It will make this image angry, change the t-shirt color to red. All these things that you listed out, it will actually. So now you can see that. So it actually did everything for us. Little bit face angry, grow hair on head, change the t-shirt color from black to red. So you can just see here, this is the power of this model right here. You can access this for completely free. And there is one alternative way by which you can use this model for completely free, unlimited purpose. This website, lmarena.ai. I'm personally using this website for 6 months now for accessing any AI model for completely free. So this website has three modes: battle mode, side by side comparison you can even do. So right here, it has all the premium AI models. So simply select the image from here, and here you can do the comparison. So this is your Nano Banana model. You can compare it with any other AI model and just write the prompt here, generate image where two dogs are coding on laptop. So right here you can do this. You simply write the, just make sure that you do this in a, you can log in with your Google account here. So first of all, just log in. So this website is insane. So you can also select direct chat and then select your model. So all the premium AI models are there. You will see Gemini 2.5 Pro, GPT-5. So we have this side by side comparison. So simply select generate images and write. So now it will do the comparison for you. So side by side, you will see your images will be generated. So this is actually using the Nano Banana model. This is using the image gen model. So this is really insane. So here you can decide which AI generated the perfect image for you. So you can basically vote right here. They also have their leaderboard system as well. So definitely try this website LM Arena to access the Nano Banana model for completely free.